What's going on, everybody, and welcome to CS5 Unmasked. Today I'm going to be showing off my Halloween 2018 Michael Myers costume and showing you how much it actually cost me. Now, you well know that I'm a pretty big fan of saving money whenever I can, especially when it comes to my costumes, so I'm very happy to tell you that I didn't break the bank on this one. So before I get started, I just want to let you know that this costume is not going to be 100% movie accurate, but for what little money that I actually did spend on it, I think it turned out pretty good. Alright, well, let's go ahead and start off with the coveralls. Now, I bought these on Amazon for around 20 bucks, and they actually fit really well. The only problem was, they had a purplish blue look to them, and the coveralls in the movie were actually a charcoal gray. So we ended up just using a can of flat black spray paint, and then going over the entire set of coveralls. Now, I think I went a little overboard with the spray paint, because it is a whole lot darker than I actually anticipated, but I'm still pleased with the overall look. Now, as far as the undershirt is concerned, this is just a dark blue shirt that I picked up at the Goodwill for just around $2. And being as you're really not going to see it at all anyways, it's a perfect fit for the costume. Now, as far as the knife that I'm actually using, this is just a kitchen knife with an 8-inch blade that I already owned, but these are a dime a dozen at most thrift stores. Now, one of the only drawbacks about actually using a real knife is that real weapons aren't allowed at Comic-Cons, parties, or even schools. So if you're going to be sporting your costume somewhere in public, I honestly would recommend getting a prop knife instead. Alright, moving on to the boots. Now, these are just a pair of black work boots that I picked up at a yard sale for about $5. But in all honesty, any black pair of shoes is probably going to work out just fine, because you're only seeing a small portion of the actual foot, the rest of it's being covered by the coveralls. Okay, now the mask. Now, I did pick up this mask on Amazon for about $52, and it is a Trick or Treat Studios mask, so at least I knew it was going to kind of look like the one from the movie. Now, once I did receive the mask, I was actually quite disappointed. The paint job on it was quite horrible, and it really didn't look like the one from the movie. So I really thought that I had made a mistake. So I went online and checked out a whole bunch of tutorials on actually how to repaint the mask, and so that's exactly what I ended up doing. Now, this did require a little bit of stuff, like some acrylic paints, and some liquid latex. Now, the liquid latex I actually purchased at Spirit of Halloween after the Halloween season had ended. So I did get this for about 50% off, and I only paid about $6 for it. Now, this is not going to be a tutorial on how I actually did a rehaul on this mask. There's already 100 videos out there that you can look up that are going to be far better than what I can actually show you. So essentially, this is only my second attempt at actually painting a Michael Myers mask. And even though it's not completely accurate, I'm still extremely pleased in what I was actually able to accomplish. It still looks pretty good, and I don't really want to change too much on it. All in all, I only spent $90 creating the 2018 Michael Myers costume. Now, I've already spoke to many people on YouTube asking how much they spent on their costume, and it was well over $300 for a pretty close to screen accurate costume. So I still feel that $90 is a pretty good price for a Michael Myers costume that kinda looks like the one from the movie. Alright, everybody, I really hope you like the costume, and if you want to see more Michael Myers on this channel, let me know down below. Alright, until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.